Today, I'll show you how to change views in Microsoft Planner so you can switch between different layouts and quickly find the one that works best for you and your tasks. We'll focus on the main views available inside a plan and then look at how to use the My Tasks area for a personal overview of everything assigned to you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and why you might choose one view over another. Let's start inside a specific plan. Once you open Microsoft Planner and select a plan, look just below the plan's name at the top of the screen. This is your main navigation area for switching views. You'll see options such as grid, board, charts, and schedule. These are not different plans, they're just different ways of looking at the same tasks. First, the grid view. When you click grid, your tasks are displayed in a simple, table-like format, similar to a spreadsheet. Each task appears as a row with its details in columns. This view is especially useful if you like to scan information quickly or make lots of small edits, like changing due dates, priorities, or assigned users without jumping in and out of individual task cards. If you're reviewing a long list and want to adjust several items in one go, grid is often the easiest place to do that. Next is the board view, which many people think of as the classic planner layout. Here, tasks are organized into columns called buckets. Each task appears as a card that you can drag and drop between buckets. This is perfect if you manage work in stages like to do, in progress, and done, or if you group tasks by categories such as teams or work streams. Use board when you want a visual workflow and like physically moving tasks as they progress. Now let's look at charts. When you select charts, Planner gives you a quick dashboard of your plan's health. You'll see how many tasks are not started, in progress, late, or completed, as well as how tasks are distributed by priority. This view is ideal when you need a status snapshot for a meeting or when you want to see where potential bottlenecks are. If you notice a lot of late tasks or too many urgent items for one person, Charts makes that very obvious. The last main view inside a plan is Schedule. Click Schedule, and your tasks are mapped onto a calendar based on their start and due dates. This is helpful for checking workload over time and spotting days or weeks that are overloaded or empty. If tasks are missing start or due dates, they won't appear here, so it can also remind you to fill in those details. Use Schedule whenever timing, deadlines, and pacing are your main concern. Now, beyond a single plan, you might want to see everything assigned to you across all plans. For that, go to the left-hand sidebar and click My Tasks. This pulls all your assignments into one place. At the top right of this page, you'll see a Group By drop-down. This lets you change how your tasks are organized. Grouping by progress lets you separate what's not started, in progress, and completed, so you can focus on what still needs attention. Grouping by priority highlights urgent or important items first. If you select due date, your tasks are organized by when they're due, helping you see what needs to be done today, tomorrow, and later. And grouping by plan shows which project each task belongs to, which is great if you're juggling work across multiple teams. Use these views and grouping options to match the way you like to think and work, and you'll navigate Microsoft Planner much more efficiently.